Welcome back to Road Ride. The 2026 Audi 5 Rupees Sportback arrives with subtle but meaningful updates that sharpen both its design and performance credentials. This latest version of the high-performance four-door coupe retains its aggressive stance, but gains revised styling cues such as a wider and more sculpted grille, sleeker LED headlights with Matrix technology, and larger air intakes for improved aerodynamics and engine cooling. The rear receives new LED taillights with dynamic indicators and a redesigned bumper that integrates a more prominent diffuser and oval-shaped RS exhaust pipes. These design changes enhance its already muscular character, giving the 5 Rupees Sportback an even more assertive road presence. Under the hood, the 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine continues to power the 5 Rupees Sportback, delivering 444 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. Audi has fine-tuned the throttle response and optimized the 8-speed Tiptronic transmission for quicker shifts, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds. Quattro all-wheel drive remains standard, offering superior grip and stability across different road surfaces. A new RS Sport suspension with adaptive dampers has been introduced to offer improved cornering precision and comfort. Optional carbon ceramic brakes enhance braking performance while reducing unspring weight. Inside the cabin, the 2026 5 Rupees Sportback offers a blend of luxury and performance-oriented features. Premium materials like Nappa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents dominate the interior. The RS-specific flat-bottom steering wheel and sport seats with diamond stitching elevate the driving experience. Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, displayed on a 10.1-inch touchscreen, is more responsive and now supports over-the-air updates. The 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus offers RS-specific graphics, including a performance mode that shows lap times and G-forces. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a Bang & Olufsen sound system for audiophiles. Safety and driver assistance have also been upgraded. The 2026 model includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and park assist. Audi presents front and rear help detect potential collisions and apply emergency braking when necessary. The 5 Rupees Sportback continues to balance practicality with performance, offering ample rear seat space and a generous cargo area accessed via the lift-back rear hatch. Overall, the 2026 Audi 5 Rupees Sportback refines its high-performance formula with subtle design enhancements, improved technology, and more engaging dynamics, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts who want everyday usability paired with sports car performance.